Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: an email or phone number, a secure password, and your birth date. Once ready, open account. Microsoft. Com and choose Create Account. This kicks off the Microsoft account flow for Minecraft. Enter your email or phone, then set the password. Make sure to use a recovery email now. This saves time later and protects the account. After filling basic fields, accept the Microsoft terms and pass the CAPTCHA. This proves you are human and moves you to verification. Once done with basic sign-up, verify the code Microsoft sends to your email or phone. If it times out, request a new one and try again. Then sign in and navigate to Security, right arrow Advanced Security to enable two-step verification for better protection. Next, open Minecraft on your device, pick Sign in with Microsoft, and use the same credentials. This links your Mojang profile or new Minecraft account to Microsoft. Make sure to accept the permission prompts so cross-platform play works. To finish, open your Xbox profile and set or confirm your gamer tag, privacy, and multiplayer permissions so servers and friends can find you. If you have a Mojang account, follow the migration prompts to combine accounts. This preserves purchases. Once linked, sign into Minecraft across devices to check saves and purchases. If anything fails, clear app cache, retry on a different browser or device, or reset the password. Further, check verification messages and spam folders. Those steps fix most sign-in issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.